guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jamaica here, and I'm back again with another video. If you're new here, I'd love it if you'd subscribe and join the family, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back and watching another video. So in today's video, you guys will see me install this wig that I have on my head. I feel like I did a pretty good job. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, watching me install this wig and really struggle to put this wig on my head, but I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also follow me on all my social media. They will all be linked down below in the description box, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Ayy, I go shopping, want it then I cop it, ayy, yeah, bitches popping, I do what they copy, ayy, look, he's a sweetie, kiss it when he
Flex, my bitch love Coco. Woo back, baby.
You ain't up me, you up the old body.
Alright you guys, so this is the wig. This hair is from SHOPANNIBELLEZA here in Kingston, Jamaica, and I got their 20-inch silky body wave hair. Guys, this wig comes with a medium brown lace. It came pre-plucked and also pre-bleached, guys. I mean, when I did this wig for my birthday, my stylist did not have to do anything. I mean, it was ready straight out the bag. So I just wanted to come and do a voiceover for you guys, giving you the specs on this hair. So as I said before, it did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached. This hair is 150% density, and as I said before, it came with a medium brown lace. I just added some foundation on top of mine, and now you guys saw that I applied the wig to my head, and it has some adjustable straps at the back, and that's what I was fixing. So I'm just adjusting it to my head now, and I'm combing it out. So here I'm using my olive oil mousse, and I just use this to apply to the hair to get the hair to sleek back so that I can see the lace visibly, so that I don't really, you know, have a harder time than I already did applying this wig. So I just brush the hair back, and then I'm using a butterfly clip to pin back the sides of my hair so my hair doesn't blow into the glue. So I'm using my Got to Be glued spray now, and this is what I'm using to basically slay this wig and melt this wig on my head. So I'm just doing a few sprays, and then you guys see me sitting there because I didn't have a blow dryer, so I used my fan just to cool the spray, you know. And I'm using a rat tail comb to press the hair or the lace into the spray. So I literally just wait a couple seconds, guys, while this air dries, and I just press the lace down into the spray so that, you know, it's secured, it's glued, you know. So I'm just using my rat tail comb, and I'm making sure to comb through my baby hairs so that they don't get stuck in the glue. And also I'm just spraying on top of the lace also, because some of it is not liftable, especially this middle part. It's like already stuck to my forehead because of the adjustable straps that I already adjusted. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that to the other side of my head, and you guys can continue to watch. Also guys, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for over 1,000 subscribers, guys. I am so happy. I'm so grateful. Like, thank you guys so much. It's been a long time coming, but we finally did it, and I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. And I just want to thank you guys so much for helping me get to 1K. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel and has been supporting me since day one, and trust me, it's been long. So here guys, you know, I'm just basically making sure that all of my baby hairs are out of the way and they're not getting glued down, and I'm just making sure to brush through the hair each time that I spray. And guys, this ear tab was giving me such a hard time, but basically once I tie it down, it's gonna be good. So here I'm just adding some more mousse because I'm getting ready to do my baby hairs, and I do not want any like adult hairs, quote unquote, to come out when I'm doing my baby hairs. So after I smooth the mousse down, I'm just brushing out my baby hairs even more and combing them through because some of them got caught in the spray. So I'm just brushing them out here, as you can see. So guys, your girl is blind as a bat, okay? I can't see anything. So I'm gonna start doing my baby hairs now, and I pumped some more mousse on top of my baby hairs because that's what I use to do my baby hairs. Guys, I really wish I did the baby hairs a little bit different. Like, I didn't really like them, but I guess it was okay. I could have done a better job, but I guess they were cool or whatever. But I didn't really like my baby hairs. But the next video that you guys will see me applying a wig, I will definitely do my baby hairs way better than this. But this was good enough for like my first time really applying a wig again. So I'm just basically doing some swoops, guys, some really basic ass swoops. Like these swoops ain't got nothing on some of these hair gurus, guys. Like, come on, I was struggling with this one swoop too. So I don't know, but that's basically me trying to do these baby hairs, guys. As you can see here, I started to feel myself because the wig just looked really good to me, but I hate these baby hairs, guys. Oh my god. But I am gonna tie a rubber band on this lace, guys, so that it can start to get melted, you know, set these edges, girl. Yes, that's what the rubber band is for, guys. So I'm just basically tying this to the back of my head, and then I'm showing you guys me brushing the hair out, guys. Like, look at this hair, guys. Oh my god, it has so much luster, guys. Like, this hair is the best hair I've ever had, guys, and I've been wearing weave for a while. Guys, I really hope this comes out beautiful because I haven't installed a wig in like 2 years. I haven't installed a wig by myself in like 2 years. So hopefully, yeah, my battery dead, but hopefully this looks nice. There I go, hoping for the best, guys. But basically what I'm doing here, I'm just adding some foundation mixed with concealer to my part, just so my part can stand out a little bit more, because I feel like this lace is a tad bit too dark for me. But yeah, so I'm just adding some concealer and foundation to my part with just a very small detail eyeliner brush. And guys, I know that my part doesn't look straight right now, but I actually tried to get it straight. But here I'm just feeling myself. Your girl's about to go do her makeup and get back on the screen for you guys. So your girl's face is now done and looking slay to the gods. If you want to see how I did this look, guys, check out my everyday makeup look. It will be in the iCards above, so go check it out when you're done watching this. But guys, I just added some flexi rods to my hair because I can't curl my hair with a curling iron or a flat iron. So this is what I had to use. But I'm currently learning how to do that, so I will have a video on that when I learn how to curl my hair myself. But yeah guys, these flexi rod added such a nice like light curl to the hair, and I'm gonna turn up once again once I finish. Guys, I like looking cute and getting ready and looking all cute, but here I'm just using a wide tooth comb and I'm just gonna brush through the curls a little bit and then take my scarf, this is not a scarf, my elastic band off. And as you can see, I'm kind of feeling it a little bit, except these baby hairs, but it's melted though. It's melted. Yes sis, it's melted. So here I'm just, you know, I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm just feeling this hair, sis. I'm feeling it. Oh my god, you're too much, Deandra. Stop. So I'm just gonna brush through or comb through the baby hairs a little bit because it was hard as hell. And guys, I know you see that line of demarcation, so I went off camera and I just blended that out. And here I'm just hot combing the hair a little bit just to get it like a little more like seamless. So I'm using my hot comb, guys. Yes, this is an old ass hot comb, don't judge me. But yeah guys, I'm just flattening the top, making sure everything is flat, looking real good, sis. So that's basically it, guys. This is the finished product. This is how I tried to install this glueless wig on my head today, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also follow me on all my social media. They will be linked down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.